Reactions back in the house. We've got some new content coming up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, what's going on? We're just like I said, we're at Kinglake West. Just started our ride. Did a small little hill climb. We're riding near the pine trees. No idea where I am. Looks like a nice little track. The bro hasn't been riding. One in the middle hasn't been riding. Musty hasn't been riding. Oh, I reckon at least 6 months. Yeah, so he's got his bike going again. And this is his first ride in a long time. Hopefully it's a good one. This guy is usually a bit of an aggressive rider. Oh, that looks like a snake. I think the bro's riding a 2019, possibly, maybe 18 TPI 300. He's on the 300 banger. He likes that little bit extra power, that extra torque, that lugging grunt, as you know the 300s have. See what we can find today. Hopefully we can find a few singles, a couple of log crossings to get better at. Yeah. I heard the bike rev out, so they're all looking back. Is this guy flying off the bike or with the bike? Nothing like a bit of power. I don't know about that one, boys. Good to look up and ahead. Good to look ahead and see what's coming up, you know what I mean? He's committed now, he's got to go swimming. Up at the front, he usually takes his bike swimming a couple times a year. Alright guys, stay tuned. Get down and low, baby. Ah. Oh yeah, let's get jiggy with it. Ah, what a beast. back wheel, what a fucking game! Easy actions! Yes, baby, yes, don't laugh. What up, more throttle, a little bit more throttle.
Right at the end, yeah?
Yeah, he backed off.
When the back hits?
He backed off. The actions. Oh yeah. Switch out the legs a little bit there. Woo! Easy actions. Let me see your tail feather. Oh shit! It's a little bit wet back there. Anyway, I'll give you something to check out. Check out the local talent. What's going on there, mate? You missed the corner. You meant to pivot. No, or maybe slide, I don't know. Wow, how'd you manage that? No, no, easy, no rush, no rush. Don't bend your sprockets. Is it smoke or nah? No, no, keep going, he got it out. Turn the camera on. Can you say that again, bro?
Oh, you know, you look a bit fucking...
Real handsome. More agile on the bike.
Remember how all of us went down the steep thing and then you went head first?
Well, is that here?
That's somewhere here, bro.
We've got to find that. That's private property. Guys, we don't ride in private property and we don't recommend riding in private property without speaking to all landowners. But yeah. Yeah, no, well, a few other times I was riding, my back was really sore, bro. My back's still not 100%, but it's getting better. Hey, Alpac, I wasn't moving like this before on the bike, was I? Nah. No way. Not even close. Now I'm trying to shake my tail feather and that.
Yeah. I'm fucking rusty as fuck too.
Oh, well, if you haven't ridden in 6 months.
Stamina's alright.
Guys, we'll be back. Stay tuned. Oh, boys, so that's left me behind. Whew. Don't want to fly into those logs. Extra weight doesn't help. Oh, what is that? It's all water. More throttle, baby. More momentum. Trying to stay out of the mud. Alright mate, we don't have all day. His bike's running more rich now, definitely more rich. Come on mate, put in a bit of throttle to it. Throttle from there. Static zap, static bounce, whatever it's called. Oh, he's gonna crossover. Oh yeah! TSP! Woo! Gotta gas him up a little bit. Oh, come on mate, I don't have all day. Get rid of that TSP package. Don't be scared.
I'm just scared, mate. I'm here for you.
Oh! Throttle, throttle. Woo. My whole back is wet. And I'm stuck on something. My whole back is water. It is muddy now. We're in second. How did that happen? Oh yeah, you're going for it. Ah, neutral. Oh, that's ugly. Wow! Ooh.
That felt good, yeah?
Almost come off just there.
You did too.
Just here. Almost washed out. Alright, keep going, keep going. Get that enduro happening. He's stuck. Get out of him! Shit, the ass is kicking out. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, baby. Oh, I'm really stuck. Please don't hurt the back. Right. Woo. Oh, what a machine. Seen that one. Let's move out of the way for the boys. You alright, you alright? Back wheel, back wheel. Sit on your back wheel. Now it should be. Start her up, cuzzy. No, start her up, cuz. Start her up, start her up, start her up. Oh! What are you liking? What did you do? Is that just overflow? Yeah. Oh, lucky, bro. Huh? Yeah, sweet. Yeah, we'll check it out, bro. We'll get Bully onto that. He's an old electrician. Why laugh at? We'll get him to check it out. Well, I'm not going to check it. I'm the fruiterer.
Right, what do you mean? You got the tools.
Oh, we can check it out at my place for sure. Alright, keep going. So we banged out a couple of tracks. It was quite fun. A couple of nice little hill climbs. A couple of singles. And now we're on the hunt. Some more action. Hello, Bobby! Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got. Show me the goods. Sounds like a roost meal. Is that it? Looks like we're back in the pines. Might be a few stags sleeping in there. Oh, she looks like a slippery one. Oh, she looks slippery. track's a little bit boring, but I guess it comes with a good view. And that gives a chance for the bro to get a feel of the bike again, you know? For some reason, you never find really good tracks in the plains around here. Is that straight? No, it's still in the plains. I hate it when it's rutted out. I hate the ruts. But sometimes it helps. A lot of times my balance is really off, so a lot of times it catches my wheel, my front wheel, and throws me all over the shop. I start slapping around. Alright. Let's slap all these branches. I lost second position. What do you do? Oh. I think something's a little bit more weight out this way. I don't think it's even rained lately. Maybe a week here. Well, it's like the last couple of days. So yeah, this is Kinglake, or West Kinglake. No cars are coming. It keeps going up all the way, yeah. It's not that hard.
Is it hard?
Nah, you'll do it.
Bro, wherever you get stuck, come down and meet us here.
Alright, bro.
Let's see where we're going to get stuck. It's a competition. Go. I'm going that way. Second gear or first gear? First.
First, bro. Hey, it's easy. I'll probably end up getting stuck, but yeah, I've got to gas him up a little bit, you know, get him going. Ah, you'll smash it.
Camera running?
Camera's always running, cousin. It's showtime. Easy action. You're right, bro. Oh, huh, too much throttle, too much throttle. He's up. Not bad, good size. I say you fucked me up. Oh Allah. That's what happens when you try to tail them. I'm gonna lose the bike. Oh yeah. Good times. Good times and action. It's my fault. Fucking hell. I shouldn't have got so close. Yeah, I shouldn't have got so close to him. fresh, no good. Well, I need to get brake pads, I forgot about that, hey. Hey? Hey?
He's asked me up too heavy braking.
Who? Did he stuck it? I was following him, he started getting the legs this start and he slowed down, he fucked me up good.
Oh, let's go gear 2 on gear 1, bro. I fucked up.
Yeah, no, that's alright. Huh? I was trying to get like real close shot with the GoPro. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, he got me.
I'll be good.
Hey, should be just here. Yeah. No, it's here. On the phone, it's here. It's saying straight left. Oh God, what is that? OMG. Oh, I'm getting a calf cramp. Look at the artist. Bro, Harry bang that like that. One foot on the bike, cuz. Your left foot on the bike, you're going to push with your right foot.
No, the problem is, she is fucked. Go around the same tree.
What's fucked? You're going to get step by step, you're going to hit it. You're going to stand up, 1 foot. Now push on the logs. You got to get up to that log. You got to get up your foot up to that log. No, slowly. You got to push with your left foot.
He's on the limiter.
Nah, you got it, not like that. Come back.
You gotta run up from there, bro.
No, you don't really. Yeah, maybe a little. Come back. This guy, he never practices standing up on the bike. On technical stuff. That's where it fucks him. Nah, but you got to push with one leg, like balance one leg off the bank.
Before the power comes up.
first gear, cuz?
I'm on first, man.
Ja, raak je op. Clutch control. Slow gas. Traction, traction. Fuck the Enduro.
Smashed it, like.
Oh, fit him. Bro, that's probably the most technical we've done in a long time, huh? What do you reckon? Step by step. Fuck. That wrecked me, lad. Big hard. Oh.
That's alright.
No, nothing. I'm alright. Yeah. Oh, a little bit of a bump there. Yep. Oh. Come on boys, don't be scared of a little water. We've got a bit of a drop down here. Oh shit. A lot of timber here, man. Oh, he's gone. Yeah, no, it was a slow drop. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, what are you doing? You just got the bike back. Take your time, cuz. Bro, he just picks it up. He's got to throw it. Gym junkie. What happened there?
Fucking throttle got stuck.
Throttle got stuck off my ball sack. Throttle fucking was in your hand. Yeah, you're not gonna fight the bike, you're gonna ride it.
We'll fight the bike, cuz.
You're alright, bro. We've all done it before. Where's this going, bro? Fucking hell. Yeah, no, I reckon that way. Yeah, I'm alright. Jesus. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Blowing a lot of smoke, eh? Off your 3 grand. Ooh. Oh, thanks for the warning, bro. I need to move my clutch in more, bro. My fingers are getting tight. Oh, shit. Kinglake, fellas. Come check it out. You really need to look for the singles around here, though. They're a little bit hidden. He's lost pole position. Am I in second again? Must have been when I was like the highest way in the ruts. Must hit my gear lever. I stuffed it up a little bit. I took him on the wrong track. He'll be right. Whoa. Bit of sideways action there. Not really. fuck no.
Bowler?
It's hot as. Maybe give it one click. Just wait till you have a smoke. Don't do it while you're on the bike.
Wait a bit.
Don't do it while you're on your bike, bro. It's gonna spray. Like there. Oh, I'm so tired, man. I'm so fatigued. I need to start doing some cardio. Whew. Definitely need to stop smoking. I gotta quit again. It's a bit rocky here. Fuck! What happened? You're shocked.
It's just here that's hardest.
Yeah, it lifts over here. Yeah, it starts lifting there. Australian hard Enduro. Australian hard Enduro. The hardest hill climb in Kinglake. It's called the Hill of Dust Shucks.
Bit of huffing and puffing. It's like jumping off a cliff, that bit there. You know the star, it's like a thing. You gotta. Too aggressive. Really? The front's jumping. The front's bouncing.
You need to sit forward more, yeah?
Yeah. And power on.
Slow, slow, slow. On the brakes. On the brakes. On the... It's steep. Use your back brakes. Australian hard Enduro. Don't hit me with the bike. Mate.
Practice makes perfect.
Wallah, mashallah.
Hit it.
Hit it again.
Missed it. No. Practice makes.
Is the actions tuning out? Let's go home, boys. I've had enough.